Welcome to Roco Diet. Apple cider vinegar has been touted as a miracle remedy, but today we're diving into its lesser-known benefits, how it supports pH balance and helps with mineral absorption. By the end of this video, you'll know how ACV can fit into your health routine and the science behind it. Apple cider vinegar has various benefits, like digestion, energy, skin health. Let's break it down step by step. Many people think the key to health is keeping your body alkaline. But in reality, the body maintains different pH levels in different parts, like your stomach, blood, and skin, and apple cider vinegar plays an essential role in this balance. Your stomach, for example, needs to stay acidic for proper digestion, and apple cider vinegar helps by stimulating stomach acid production. This, in turn, can help break down food more effectively, which we'll explore in more detail later. So, while apple cider vinegar is acidic, it helps maintain the right balance where it's needed, and that balance is vital for optimal health. Mineral absorption. Another hidden gem of apple cider vinegar is its ability to help your body absorb essential minerals like calcium, magnesium, and potassium. These minerals play a key role in everything from bone health to nerve function. But why is absorption so important? It's not just about consuming minerals, it's about making them bioavailable. The acetic acid in apple cider vinegar boosts the bioavailability of minerals, allowing your body to use them more efficiently. So when you take apple cider vinegar, especially with meals rich in minerals, you give your body a much-needed boost in nutrient uptake. Specific health benefits. Better mineral absorption translates to better health outcomes. Take muscle cramps, for example, often a sign of magnesium deficiency. Regular consumption of apple cider vinegar can reduce cramping by improving how your body absorbs magnesium. Similarly, people dealing with arthritis or joint stiffness can benefit from apple cider vinegar, which helps reduce calcification in soft tissues. And that's not all. Apple cider vinegar's role in mineral absorption can support your cardiovascular health by optimizing potassium levels, which helps regulate blood pressure, digestion, and gut health. Apple cider vinegar doesn't just stop at pH balance and minerals, it's also a powerhouse for gut health. The acetic acid in ACV supports the growth of healthy bacteria in your gut, creating a more balanced microbiome. A balanced gut leads to fewer digestive issues, like bloating and indigestion. It can also improve nutrient absorption even further by ensuring that your digestive system is running smoothly. ACV use and precautions. Now that you understand the benefits of apple cider vinegar, how do you use it? The best way is to dilute 1 to 2 tablespoons in water. You can drink it before meals to aid digestion, or in the morning to kickstart your metabolism. But remember, moderation is key. Overconsumption can lead to issues like stomach irritation or weakened tooth enamel. Start slow and always dilute it. So, whether you're looking to improve your mineral absorption, balance your pH, or simply feel healthier overall, apple cider vinegar is an easy addition to your daily routine. Just remember to use it wisely. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Stay tuned for more health tips from Roco Diet.